National Weather Service Phoenix meteorologist Jared Heil with a forecast update for you on this Sunday, February 26th. Key points for this week. Chilly weather is going to win out throughout the week, but the opportunity for more active conditions is going to return to the area, especially by Wednesday. That is the big weather day for this upcoming week, it looks like, across the desert Southwest. By next weekend, we may turn a little bit warmer, but overall, the trends are for cooler than normal temperatures to prevail, and we'll talk more about that as well. Here's the satellite image across the Southwest. Earlier in the day today, we did have those areas of showers and high country snow, even with some ice pellets mixed in from time to time in the form of very, very small hail and or graupel. That's now moving east of us and is going to cause severe weather. It's already forming Texas, Oklahoma panhandles, and parts of western Kansas into Oklahoma tonight. And notice in that shade of brown, a dust storm behind the front over eastern New Mexico and west Texas this afternoon. This is a very strong storm. It's some of the energy that spawned all of the active weather here and off toward the west coast, just to our west over the weekend. Our 5-day trend sums it up pretty well. Temperatures stay below normal in the 60s during the day, 40s at night with 30s outside the city, and that chance of windy, wet weather by Wednesday. On Wednesday, a low pressure system is going to gather across the area. It will move in from the northwest, pass pretty much right overhead Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night. And as it does so, the chances for windy weather go up and opportunities for rain and high country snow with that particular system as well. A lot of uncertainties in just how strong the winds will be and how much precip falls, but here's some of the forecast data we have to share at this point in time. And keep in mind, this could change. Wind gusts anywhere from 35 to 45 miles per hour across south central Arizona, including Metro Phoenix, late on Wednesday. That jumps to 50 to 55 miles an hour as you head toward the Colorado Valley and points west into southeast California. So, yeah, more windy weather and some dusty conditions also expected on Wednesday. Precipitation not overly heavy on the desert floor, with a tenth to a quarter of an inch around the Phoenix metro and less out to the west. But our higher terrain locations, a half an inch to an inch possible in Globe, and that increases even more the farther north you travel. But that's going to turn into snow also the farther up you go in latitude and terrain. Take a look here at some of these potential snowfall tallies. Flagstaff, once again, getting hit with more very heavy snow, foot to a foot and a half currently in the forecast. Even Payson and Prescott could see more than a half a foot of snow with this system. Same thing for Show Low. So we've been dealing with this pretty much the whole winter. The name of the game here is be prepared if you're going to be traveling north for interstate road hazards from winter weather driving conditions on I-17 and I-40. We've been seeing conditions that have even closed parts of these interstates from time to time, and that could happen again if this particular system on Wednesday and Wednesday night does indeed head our way, and the confidence is growing that that's going to happen. Now, beyond that time, as I said, we may see a little bit of a warm-up next weekend with temperatures perhaps getting above 70 toward the tail end of our 7-day forecast period. But overall, for week 2, this is March 6th to 12th, the jet stream orientation is still lined up for the West Coast trough, and that gives us some confidence in cooler than normal conditions and perhaps more opportunities for precipitation. However, as we push toward the middle and latter part of March, beyond the 12th and toward the 15th, there's a lot of agreement in some of our climate model data that we could see a warming trend, and that colder air that's currently centered across the west get dislodged farther east into the plains, Great Lakes, and Northeast. If that were to occur, temperatures could really ramp up in a hurry, because by then we're talking about normal highs that will be pushing the upper 70s. So we'll keep an eye out for that. In the meantime, the cool weather is here to stay with more opportunities for active conditions. First one coming up on Wednesday. All right, have a great night, and keep it posted right here at our National Weather Service platforms for social media here at the Phoenix office. We'll talk to you soon.